Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce freelance fees with Freelancer, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding the platform regulations and fee structures associated with Freelancer. Create a comprehensive project brief that clearly outlines your requirements and budget. Post your project on Freelancer, ensuring to select the right category for better visibility. Utilize the option to invite specific freelancers whose work appeals to you. Look for freelancers who offer competitive rates but have high ratings and positive reviews. Engage in preliminary conversations with potential freelancers to negotiate terms and prices. Consider hiring newer freelancers who may offer lower fees to build their portfolio. Offer incentives, like bonuses, for high-quality work delivered ahead of schedule. Be open to adjusting your project details, as flexible scopes can often lead to better deals. Review ongoing bids frequently and be prepared to negotiate with those who bid on your project. Evaluate previous work samples of applicants to ensure you're investing wisely. Select a freelancer based not only on price but on their value proposition and expertise. Once you decide, communicate your expectations clearly to avoid misunderstandings later. Request a breakdown of costs to understand what you're paying for. Utilize features that allow for direct messaging, ensuring continuous communication. Set milestones for larger projects to facilitate payment in stages, helping to manage cash flow. After project completion, provide thorough feedback to build a constructive relationship. Utilize Freelancer's dispute resolution feature if necessary to ensure fair outcomes. Explore future collaborations with the same freelancer for consistency and potentially reduced fees. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.